9:22 right now, and Ford just unveiled their brand new Bronco. Car enthusiasts have waited a long time for this. This was introduced back in 1966, then discontinued in 1996, and now it's back after 25 years. This morning, live from Detroit, is our Fox 59 auto expert, Nik Miles, out in the sun for us this morning. Nik, thanks for sticking around to talk to us. I'm just going to turn it over to you. Tell us what we need to know about this. People have been waiting a long time, a lot of excitement here.
Yeah, absolutely. Teased for 3 years. It's finally here, but Ford didn't just unveil a Bronco. They unveiled 3 different Broncos. We're about an hour north of where this is going to be made in outside of Detroit. 3 different Broncos on display here, plus the original Baja 1969 winner, which the Bronco 2-door, which is the yellow one, and the gray one, the 4-door, is based on. And then there is the Bronco Sport version of this vehicle. So last night, the order books opened at Ford.com. So many people are excited about this vehicle. They actually crashed the website. Take a look at it. Doors come off. The top comes off. One person can take them off. They stow in the back, so you don't have to leave them on the side of the road in your garage as you go for a drive in your brand new Bronco. Now, these vehicles have been tested for 10 million miles to make sure they were absolutely roadworthy. And once you put them out on the road, they are able to cope with absolutely everything. Not just about the outside, though, guys. Ford have made this a true Bronco on the inside with tons of accoutrements. So check this out. It comes standard with an 8-inch screen. There is a 12-inch screen optional. Those grab handles, you can move them around the vehicle wherever you need them to make sure you're secured in your ride. You can mount your cell phones and GoPros right there to a bar on the dash. It has plug-in USB ports below. And if you should get it nasty and muddy, guess what? There's a hose ring in the bottom. You can take it out of the plug and all the water can drain out of that plug. So this has been beautifully designed with mildew-resistant seats for all your adventures, and many Americans don't want to be traveling by flight anywhere soon. They're going to be adventuring in their home states. This is the perfect vehicle to do it. Does it have the technology? That's a big question I get asked by a lot of people. Yes, it has the technology, definitely. Check it out. You can do lots of off-roading, share the maps with other people, record video on the inside, as well as share that video with a 360-degree camera. So it's got everything all around it. It has the technology, it has the design throwback to 1966, and of course it has a really nice interior. Now this is the Bronco Sport version. It will come with about 100 accessories when it actually launches. The 2- and 4-door will come with about 200 accessories when it actually launches. The cool thing about this vehicle is if you come to the back here, and this is a sort of urbanites weekend adventure vehicle, this shelf slides out to become a table. Up here in the top, these are actually floodlights, so you can flood whatever you're working on here at the back, fishing gear. You can use these as towel racks or to dry your equipment off. And every single Bronco comes with something cool, not a bottle of soda, but they're all 4x4s, and they all come with this little accessory, which is going to be my favorite. This is just soda, but however, it might be a beer after we get off the air. So everyone comes with a bottle opener at the back here, starting at under $29,000. I kitted out the 4-door first edition with absolutely everything. I couldn't get it above $63,000. So that's a wide margin for around $29,000 to $63,000. There should be a flavor of Bronco for all Americans if you can get online and reserve it now for around $100, as many people did last night.
Nik, that's a great look at that. Thank you so much for taking us through it this morning. I know, as I said, a lot of people are excited about this. Hopefully, when you get out of the sun, you can trade that soda for a different drink.
Maybe I will.
Maybe you will. Nik, thank you.